Meet Seagull Boy. You might not know this superhero, but his superpower is an amazing ability to mimic a certain sound. Well, we sent De Graaf to try and track him down.
It's at country parks like this where we hope to catch a glimpse of the lesser spotted seagull. Making my way through the trail, I was hopeful I could lay my eyes on one of these majestic birds.
This one doesn't like me.
After many hours of searching, my luck was about to change.
It's realistic and high-pitched noises like those that have made Cooper an international champion when it comes to gull screeching. He travelled all the way to Belgium to compete in front of judges who are experts in the field and scored an impressive 92 out of 100. Oh. So Cooper, talk me through the competition in Belgium.
When it was on the day, I was like, okay, I've got to win this or I'm not going to be a celebrity.
Well, you've actually taught celebrities how to do it as well. You taught Ollie Alexander, the UK's Eurovision entrant, how to make the noise. How did he do?
He was really good. Hopefully he wins in the song contest. And I won in the seagull noising competition.
How on earth, Cooper, do you make the famous noise?
You have to drink a lot and you have to breathe like really big, like, because just doing the takes like half your breath.
Do you have any more competitions on the horizon?
I can do a trumpet noise and I'm going back to Belgium to do the competition again next year.
Wow.
And I'm going to hold a sword and shield like, I'm here to defend my title.
You said you can do a trumpet noise. What does a trumpet noise sound like? You can do it all.
But there is a small tale of pain behind his feathered fame. It all started when he got bitten by a seagull who wanted his ham sandwich. Like Spider-Man, Cooper said this nip unleashed his inner seaside pools. So watch out when you're about to tuck into your food outside this summer, as Cooper's super seagull impressions are set to carry on getting people in a flat.